Hello lovelies, welcome back to Kayi Cuisine. I hope you're all well and thanks so much for clicking on today's video. I will be sharing today 2 recipes with you. I will be using rice and plantains. So without wasting too much of your time, let's get started. I'm about to cook the rice, so it's just straightforward. Add some water, a little bit of oil and salt. And these are the other ingredients: 3 plantains. You can see right here I'm cutting my yellow pepper. I will be using half of it, the red one, and I will be using a medium size of onion to make a simple sauce that I will be using to pair with the rice and the plantain. If it's your first time coming across my channel, I'm Kayi and I enjoy sharing easy, quick and very yummy recipes on this channel. So if you like to get my notifications, kindly subscribe and make sure your notification bell is on so you don't miss out on my delicious new recipes. It's time for me to rinse the rice properly, and I normally do this 3 times to make sure it's done how it's supposed to be done. Okay, so after that, when the water is clear, you know that your rice has been washed or rinsed properly before adding it into the boiled water. And that's what I'm doing right here. Cover it up. Whilst that is cooking, I need to cut my plantains and make sure it's ready to fry. Big shout out to the members of this platform that are supporting me on a monthly basis. I appreciate all of you guys. Thanks so much. And for those of you that are sharing my content, I do appreciate you as well. Thanks so much for your continuous love right here. And I'm pretty much done with the plantain now. I need to check this quick and our rice is ready, as you can see. So I'll start frying the plantain. I cut 2 like this size and shape and 1 just straightforward like this. So this one I'm going to use it to pair with one of the meal, and the next one that is quite smaller I'll use it to pair with the next recipe. So my plantain is cooking so well. I've got the golden color right here, which indicates that the plantain is ready, and I'm just going to let it rest here on the kitchen towel and serve it later. Time to fry the second batches. Spread everything nicely so your plantains can cook well. After 4 to 5 minutes, just flip the next side. Our plantain is ready and I'm going to let it rest right here. The oil is already heated up. I'm going in now with the peppers and the onions. We need to add our seasoning right here so everything can be well combined and ready to serve. So I'm adding a tablespoon of ginger, garlic and all-purpose seasoning with a teaspoon of crushed chilies. The sauté vegetables are ready and I'm going to add 1 avocado and serve the food. You can see already that this food can only be calling your name, I'm sure. And I'm adding my fried plantains, and I will be grabbing a fork soon to enjoy this delicious meal. Our first recipe is ready. Very, very colorful. Exactly how I like my food, because when I look at my food, I want it to definitely be calling me, like, come and enjoy me kind of vibe. So now the plantain as well is ready, and that is our next recipe. I hope you are enjoying the 2 recipes so far. If that is the case, kindly give the video a thumbs up and drop a comment for me. Do you like recipe 1 or 2? Let me know, please. Now I'm digging in, as you guys can see, and the 2 meals were so delicious. Do me a big favor by trying this recipe, and I'm sure you're going to thank me for it later. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Take care for now and have a great weekend. Bye for now. Au revoir.